Cutting negative energy. Free yourself from toxic people. Do you ever feel drained around certain people, even when they're not around? Some people smile at you, like friends, relatives, colleagues, but deep inside, they are full of jealousy, hate, and negativity. Those people drain our energy, success, focus, and motivation. They affect our mood and spread negativity in our daily life. It might be the ideal time to cut the energy cords holding you back with those negative people. What are energy cords? Energy cord is an invisible link that connects people, carrying emotions and energy between them. Some connections are positive with positive and good people. We feel comfortable, trusting, loving, and happy with them. But others drain us, like toxic relationships, past heartbreaks, manipulative people, narcissistic people. These cords keep us emotionally stuck, even when we want to move on. Signs you need to cut negative energy cords. 1. Feeling exhausted or anxious after thinking about someone. 2. Feeling stuck in past pain memories or unable to move on in life. 3. Feeling manipulated, controlled, or emotionally attached in an unhealthy way with toxic ones. How to cut negative energy cords? Step 1. Recognize the negative bond. Identify who or what is draining your energy from surrounding. Step 2. Set your intention. Say out loud or write down, I release this energy connection. I choose peace and freedom. Step 3. Visualization technique. Close your eyes and imagine a thick cord connecting you to this person. Now, picture a bright light or scissors cutting the cord. Feel yourself becoming lighter. Step 4. Affirmations to strengthen the break. Say and repeat, I am free from negative energy. I take back my power and peace. I let go of what doesn't help me. Step 5. Practice self-care. Meditate. Take deep breaths. Listen to calming music or spend time in nature to cleanse your energy. Learn and get it.